Army Air Force. The colors of that the Navy used for the Stearman in World War II, they used a lot of yellow on them, and it earned the nickname Yellow Peril. Very easy to ground loop, as Jim Van told you about earlier. You don't want to ground loop one of these things. But they're made of wood wings with fabric stretched over them, and tubular steel on the fuselage with fabric stretched over it. But still, weighs in at about 3,000 pounds. And for Vicki Benzing, who holds a PhD in physical chemistry from Berkeley and enjoys a very successful career in Silicon Valley and the high-tech industries there, it's 2 hands on the stick for most all of this performance. Said, I want some blue sky for my performance. I think, Jim, well, let's watch this lady. We're taking you back to the past. Let's watch now. At some point in this actual routine, Vicki Benzing will experience it 6 times the pull of gravity. There's another hammerhead stall turn you see from the bottom side of the airplane this time. The 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney 9-cylinder radial engine is turning a Hamilton standard propeller, and you're hearing the sound of the mini sonic booms as the propeller tips go supersonic.